Channel V8X. Let's fire it up. Today we're diving straight into one of the most exciting American muscle cars of the modern era, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro in Black. This machine is more than just a car, it's a statement. From the moment you see that deep, glossy black paint reflecting the world around it, you know you're looking at something built to dominate both the street and the spotlight. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Black brings together raw muscle, modern technology, and pure American attitude. Every line on the body is sharp and aggressive, every curve sculpted for both beauty and performance. The black color isn't just a shade here, it's a mood. It gives the Camaro a stealthy, powerful presence that looks just as good parked under bright showroom lights as it does blasting down the open highway. When you move to the front view, this Camaro hits you with instant authority. Those bold LED headlights stare straight ahead like a predator locked on its target. The wide grille and muscular hood make it clear that this is not a car to be taken lightly. In black, the front end looks even more dramatic, with reflections dancing across the paint and highlighting every sharp design detail. Now slide over to the side view, and you really feel the American muscle heritage. This is the kind of rear view that other drivers see as you pull away from them, leaving nothing but admiration and engine roaring your wake. Step inside and take a look at the dashboard, and you'll see how modern this beast really is. The cockpit is built around the driver, with a digital display, premium materials, and a layout that feels like it belongs in a high-end performance machine. Everything is designed to make you feel connected, in control, and ready to push this car to its limits. Pop the hood and admire the engine view, and you understand where all that power comes from. The engine bay of the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Black is clean, aggressive, and built for serious performance. It's the heart of this machine, ready to deliver the kind of speed and sound that true muscle car fans live for. From a drone view, the Camaro looks like a black jewel on the road, perfectly shaped and beautifully balanced. Whether it's parked in a luxury showroom or cruising through a modern city, it always stands out. On the highway, this car truly comes alive, with the black body cutting through the air and the powerful engine pushing it forward with confidence. And during a night shot, under neon lights or street lamps, the glossy black paint and glowing headlights make it look absolutely cinematic. As for the price, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Black is expected to start around $38,000 to $45,000, depending on the trim and performance package. For a car that offers this level of design, power, and American muscle heritage, that price makes it a serious value for anyone looking to own a true icon. So whether you're admiring it from the front, the side, the back, or from the sky, one thing is clear: the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Black is built to impress, built to perform, and built to be remembered. Channel V8X. We'll see you in the next ride.